Borat's here. Come on, we gotta like. Is that illegal? No, that's not. Let's see it. Come on, I gotta call you out while we got everybody together here.
This is awful.
Borat! 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 Borat!
Oh my God.
You just exposed yourself. I saw you.
So now we have another violent act against someone who's acting peacefully, simply trying.
I will help him.
You can't dress yourself. You obviously need the help of government. This is what government is for, right?
What's your name?
If you can't dress yourself,
what's your name, dude?
If you accidentally expose yourself, you get locked in a cage.
Dude, what's your name?
What happens? I guess we couldn't just have a nice peaceful day at the beach without people with guns coming interrupting when we say we are not going to respect the authority of these officers. There's going to have to be some arbitrary application of force. There's going to have to be somebody that we justify our existence with. There's going to have to be a victim. There's going to have to be a victim of statism here today. There's going to have to be someone who goes down, because otherwise all these people with guns couldn't justify their budgets and their existence. If you didn't have a police officer here to protect us from a man in a bathing suit, all hell would break loose. If you didn't have the police here to protect you from people that don't know how to dress yourself, it would be chaos. It would just be chaos. But thank God we have the police here. Look at this, law and order. Law and order. This dangerous criminal is being taken away. Sir, would you tell us how this is so important to the community that you feel it necessary to take our friend away?
No comment. Where's the victim?
No comment.
How can there even
comment.
be a crime if there's no
So
victim?
this is what happens when we stand up
Is there
as
a
a group
complaint?
and say we're going to stand up to the
I'm going
bullshit
to ask you to
laws.
step back a little bit.
When we're going to stand up to the bullshit laws here in Asbury Park, what we get is we get respected.
Eddie,
When you're with a group and you have cameras,
It's done.
you can stand up.
We need to pack up.
But you get individuals get picked off like this. This is how government works. They pick off the people that they can get away with hurting and locking in cages for doing things that people don't like.
I gave him that option. I gave him that option.
Okay.
Right? He asked. And he said, can I have 5 more minutes? I gave it to him, and then this man proceeded
But are
to
we,
drop his
if we,
pants.
if
Come on,
we're
he
not
didn't-
violating
you know he
a general
accidentally-
rule,
that was
we're not
accidental.
peacefully
Yeah.
acceptable?
Baloney. Where are y'all taking
He didn't
this guy? Why are y'all going to throw him in a
intentionally
cage? He didn't mean. He didn't. That was totally unintentional. Y'all know that.
It's just a skimpy bathing suit, guys.
But if we're not
looked up the
violating
laws
general
before he
rules,
came here.
we
They
don't
didn't
just say,
peacefully
hey,
assemble,
idiot,
is that,
pick
I
up
mean,
your
that's not
pants.
breaking the
You
law.
can peacefully assemble.
Okay,
Yes, you
so we
can.
don't have
You
to
cannot
leave.
do it
We
without
just have to-
amplifiers.
Okay.
Which I allowed that to go on.
Right.
And you can't do it without the bullhorns.
Okay.
Okay?
Had we paid our
If you want to
taxes, it
speak,
would
and
be
as long
fine.
as you're not blocking the boardwalk, you are more than welcome to
Okay.
speak.
Just want to make sure.
Okay?
Thank you.
So you're saying he intentionally exposed his genitals to the crowd? Or was it an accident?
No comment.
You have to make a comment. That's why you're arresting him.
What ordinance is he
Obviously,
being
you're arresting him because you
Be on a
think
screen
you had
sheet.
to intentionally think he intentionally did.
I saw it.
You
looked up the indecent exposure laws before he came here. And
Didn't Janet Jackson accidentally expose herself? Why wasn't she arrested? It's the same thing.
You ever see the movie Borat? How much do you get paid?
You have a
Are y'all
choice.
going to go back home to your wives and your children and tell them how proud you are of your job? Throwing peaceful people into a cage?
Excuse me.
So now while this
exactly
dangerous
is the
criminal
ordinance,
is being
sir?
taken away,
You should throw down your badges
The boardwalk
and
is
throw down your
unprotected.
guns and join humanity.
Find productive employment, folks.
Join humanity.
You'll always be cool,
Thank
man.
you for protecting us from his penis.
wait, hold on. Move your weapon.
Let him go! Let him go!
Let him go! Let him go! Let him go! Let him go! Let him go! Let him go! Let him go! Let him go!
Let him go! Let him go!
No victim, no crime! No victim, no crime! Victim, no crime! No victim, no crime! No victim, no crime!
No victim!
No crime! No victim! No crime! No victim! No crime! No victim! No crime! No victim! No crime!
No victim!
No crime! No victim! No crime!
Street.
No crime! No victim! No crime!
You should be ashamed of yourselves, officers! Stranger. Just doing your job, throwing peaceful people kids. You can go home to the wife and kids and brag about your job and how proud you are of it.
You guys take an oath to the Constitution. Come on, Eddie.
What's your ticket for?
Read it.
How much money?
I don't know. It's a summons,
Court
right?
date.
You have to
Yeah.
appear
Yes,
for a
Cite
judge.
and release.
within the jurisdiction of this court, did expose himself to a law enforcement officer by revealing his genital, to said officer, knowing that this was likely to be observed by other non-consenting persons.
As long as you only do it with
Affronted or
one.
alarmed.
You only get one genital?
And that's all I saw.
Does it cite the article and section of law there?
It's indecent exposure.
But does it say like what section of the legal code?
I'm pretty sure intent.
Well, usually it has to be intentional.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's usually intent.
The cop already said
they don't arrest women when their breasts accidentally fall out
the
their
dick
bras.
that arrested
It's,
him
2C
already said like, look, I'm gonna show up. I'm gonna say what I saw.
2C
I figured you're gonna get away with
14-4A.
it. Don't worry
Okay,
about
thanks.
it.